Plant FAQs. Anthurium dorayaki. Anthurium dorayaki, your guide to the adorable pancake plant. Hi there, Furbu here. Today, we're diving into the world of the Anthurium dorayaki, a plant that's as cute as its name. This tropical stunner has stolen hearts with its round, velvety leaves that resemble the beloved Japanese sweet dorayaki. But beyond its adorable looks, the Anthurium dorayaki boasts unique features and easygoing care requirements. If you're curious about this charming plant, you've come to the right place. This FAQ will answer all your burning questions about the Anthurium dorayaki, from its origins to its care routine. See more 1327 species in genus Anthurium at monsteraholic.com. What is an Anthurium dorayaki? The Anthurium dorayaki is a hybrid, a beautiful blend of two Anthurium varieties, the majestic Anthurium crystallinum and the captivating Anthurium clarinervium. This delightful mix results in a plant with stunning, round, and slightly cupped leaves. Just like dorayaki pancakes, these leaves are a lush green with prominent white veins that add a touch of elegance. The Anthurium dorayaki doesn't produce the showy flowers typical of most Anthuriums, but its foliage is the true star of the show, bringing a touch of the tropics indoors. Anthurium dorayaki versus Anthurium crystallinum. What's the difference? The Anthurium dorayaki's closest relative is the Anthurium crystallinum, also known as the crystal Anthurium. Both plants boast impressive foliage with eye-catching white veins. However, there are some key differences. Leaf shape. The crystallinum has elongated, heart-shaped leaves, while the dorayaki features delightfully round and cupped leaves. Leaf texture. The crystallinum's leaves are thinner and more papery compared to the dorayaki's thicker, velvety texture. Veins. The dorayaki's veins tend to be wider and more prominent than those of the crystallinum. These subtle variations make the dorayaki a truly unique plant, offering a more compact and whimsical alternative to the classic crystallinum. Anthurium dorayaki versus philodendron. Can you tell them apart? At first glance, the Anthurium dorayaki can be mistaken for a philodendron, particularly the philodendron birkin. Both plants have heart-shaped leaves with contrasting veins. However, a closer look reveals some key differences. Leaf sheen. The Anthurium dorayaki has a distinct velvety sheen on its leaves, while the philodendron birkin's leaves are more matte. Leaf veins. The dorayaki's veins are typically white or silver, while the birkin's veins can range from white to cream to even a light pink. Growth habit. The Anthurium dorayaki tends to be a slower grower compared to the philodendron birkin. Knowing these distinctions will help you identify your plant correctly. How to care for your Anthurium dorayaki. The Anthurium dorayaki is a forgiving plant, making it ideal for beginner plant parents like myself. Here's a quick guide to keep your dorayaki thriving. Light. This plant prefers bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Water your dorayaki when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Overwatering is a major threat, so err on the side of underwatering. Humidity. Dorayakis love humidity, so consider using a humidifier or placing the pot on a pebble tray filled with water. Soil. Use a well-draining, airy potting mix specifically formulated for aroids like Anthuriums. Fertilizer. A balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied during the growing season, spring and summer, once a month. With proper care, your Anthurium dorayaki will reward you with lush, healthy foliage that adds a touch of the tropics to your space. Conclusion. The allure of the Anthurium dorayaki. The Anthurium dorayaki is more than just a pretty face. It's a low-maintenance plant that brings a touch of whimsy and elegance to any indoor space. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or a curious beginner, the dorayaki is sure to capture your heart with its unique charm. So why not give this adorable pancake plant a try? With a little TLC, you'll be enjoying its lush foliage for years to come.